If you suffer from knee pain, this is the video for you. Now, depending on the severity of the injury, the first couple weeks to months should be rest and then working with a physical therapist to slightly regain motion. Now, when you are out of the repair phase of an injury, you want to start working on strengthening and stability of the joint. A great exercise for that is a TKE. So with this exercise, tie a band around a stable structure and put the band behind your kneecap where you'll extend your leg in order to strengthen the quadriceps. You can vary the intensity of this exercise by changing the intensity of the resistance band used and the amount of repetitions performed. Now, walking is a great tool on the pathway to recovery. You can do a incline walk to also increase the intensity, but also a reverse walk or walking backwards in order to improve that ACL and MCL strength. Another great option is also a light stationary bike. Finally, once you're further along in the repair phase, I would give this exercise a try. So this improves knee stability. So we're going to do a unilateral touchdown. With this exercise, we focus more on the hinge of the hips back and keeping that concentration over the middle of our foot in order to stabilize the knee. Perform anywhere around 6 to 8 repetitions per side for this exercise and go down only as far as you are comfortable. I hope some of these exercises help, and let me know if you have any questions.